everyone, Lisa here, aka Crafting Diva. Thank you for tuning in again today, and welcome to part 2 of my 12 months of flower collection new products I've just been sent from craftstash.co.uk. If you haven't seen part 1, it might be nice for you to go back and check that out, because in that video I go a lot more in depth into the 12 months February Violet 6x6 stencil. But for today's video I'm going to be using the February Violets die set from the 12 months of flowers collection that's from the Apple Blossom collection that's available exclusively at www.craftstash.co.uk. A bit about these products, just in case you haven't seen my previous video. This is going to be a brand new collection, and each month CraftStash and Apple Blossom are going to be releasing a brand new design, so that over the 12 months you can buy a new design each month and build up a lovely collection of coordinating stamps, dies, embossing folders and layering stencils. Like I say, in my previous video I used the 6x6 stencil, but for today's video I'm going to be using the die set. And the die set itself consists of 8 thin metal dies, really the good top quality dies that we're all used to and really get fantastic results with. You get this absolutely stunning large violet die, and also in the collection you get some nice little layering leaf dies and a collection of different size violet dies. So it's really a nice collection of little dies that you can make some lovely designs with. So for today's video I thought I'd start off by showing you how we can make this really quite cute little birthday wishes pot of violets card design. So to make this design, what we need to do first of all is take our little violets thin metal die and run this through our die cutting machine with a nice piece of lilac cardstock like so. And once we've die cut it, you will see the die actually puts lots of detail into the die cut and gives you areas that have been cut, so that you can 3D these up to give your flower bunch a real look of depth and 3D, shall we say. Another way to add some more detail to your die cut is by taking your coordinating stencil and layering this on top of our die cut like so, and then getting some ink. I'm going to use some Tim Holtz shaded lilac just so it stand out quite good for you on camera, and then you ink through your stencil. This is where having the coordinating products really helps, because you can really get some lovely effects by mixing all your products together. Once you've inked through your stencil, we release our stencil, and as you can see it's give our die cut some real 3D feel to it by adding a bit extra depth with the ink. And then once you're happy, you can start lifting some of the cut areas of the die cut to give it even more depth. So once we've got that, I went on and I've matted and layered a piece of pattern paper onto a bit of lilac cardstock and matted that on a square card blank. And then I've just got myself a little pot die cut that I've just sort of cut round, made into a pot shape, and we want to ink the edges of that to give it some depth of the sides and the top with some vintage photo ink. Once we've done that, I stuck my little violet die cut on top, and then I have gone on and added a bit more 3D feel to them by lifting the cut areas. Once we've got that, we want to add some tacky glue to the back and stick that onto our card front like so. And as you can see, it really gives some nice depth and 3D effect to your little flowers. And then for our little sentiment, what I've got is the Apple Blossom banners die set and coordinating banner sentiment stamps, and I've die cut myself one of the little banners, and I've got the sentiment birthday wishes from the stamp set. We want to ink that up with some VersaFine black ink and stamp our message into the centre of our banner. Once we've done that, I'm going to add some 3D foam to the back of that and stick that to our little pot like so. And as you can see, it's really quite a simple, quick little design to make, but I think you'll agree, it'd be cute to send to anyone who's into their flowers, or just a nice little quick design when you're caught on the hop that you need a birthday card. Another great design that if you'd like a bit more colour to your projects is this card here that I made, and I made this by using some pixie powders to make a gorgeous bright background. Again, I've just die cut the little violets, pulled up some of the cut areas, added the ink through the stencil and some white pencil. This time I've inked through the stencil, made myself a little leaf, added some sequins and gems, and then the message, have a lovely day. So as you can see, just from these two products, the stencil and the die set, we've made some really gorgeous little cards and projects that you can go on from here and experiment with the different textures, sprays, inks that you used. So as you can see, this is a really versatile collection of products that you'll be able to buy right now on craftstash.co.uk, and the products I've used again are the February Violets die set from the 12 Months of Flowers collection and the February Violets 6x6 stencil. Hope you enjoyed this video. Would love to read any of your comments, and thanks for stopping by. Hope to see you soon. Bye for now.